My name is Alasdair Taylor. I'm the Industry Programme Manager at the Royal Society. I studied chemistry at Nottingham, both an undergraduate and a PhD. So I think after my PhD I did a couple of postdoc positions, and as I was going through the first postdoc I became less interested in doing research as a full-time career, whether that was actually full-time in academia or full-time researcher in industry. But I was very interested in how research ideas were commercialised or translated from academic space into industry. So I had an opportunity to work firstly on a postdoctoral role in engineering sponsored by E.ON, where I was actually doing this as a researcher, but then in the chemistry department at Nottingham also I worked in a team called the Business Partnership Unit, which was very focused on helping academics there take these ideas they were coming up with, commercialising them, going through the patenting process, speaking to companies who they could work with. I was sort of really interested in seeing how fundamental research could impact both the economy and people's lives, create new products, which is something I didn't feel that I was doing so much when I was a PhD student. There's quite a lot of differences between the role that I do now and what I used to do as a PhD student and as a researcher. I think when you're a PhD and a researcher, you're very focused on one particular area of science or engineering, and almost to the exclusion of lots of other things. The role that I do, well, the role that I did in the Business Partnership Unit and the role that I do now in the Royal Society are much broader. I'm working on a whole range of topics, whether they be different scientific subject areas or whether they're actually different projects that I'm managing. So recently I was an organiser of a major national event on a topic called synthetic biology, which scientifically I don't know a huge amount about, but we brought together industrial leaders and academics to speak on that. But then I'm also doing things on entrepreneurship and careers awareness and data science, so quite a range of different topics in my current role.